Happy Monday everyone! Ayan, currently I'm here in Baguio. Medyo nag-reset lang, nag-relax lang muna. But, siguro I'm creating this video for awareness kasi it has come to my attention na may mga tao na gumagamit ng video ko to scam people. So, ito for awareness po ha, na I'm only doing one business at the moment. Actually, I'm into dropshipping. If ever you see a video of me at malilink kayo into something na yung business is parang they will ask you to recharge through GCash. Wala po akong ginagawang ganon at all. So the business that I'm doing, again, it's a dropshipping business and I will never ask money from anyone unless you also want to do the business that I'm doing. Basically, yung konsepto po ng business na ginagawa ko, unang-una, it's a one-time payment. So wala po siyang recharge, like para kumita ka ng pera, you have to pay this, you have to pay that. No, kasi yung business po that I am doing, it's thriving through product sales. May product po tayong binibenta as in may tangible products po tayo. You have two options. You can use a dropshipping platform and you can also sell products on hand. Hindi po kasi ako nag-o-offer talaga ng mga mabibilis, no, yung mga madadali na ano ka lang dito, magpapasok ka lang ng pera dito, kikita ka na. No, I don't do that. So, ingat na lang po tayo, no, if ever you see a video of me, ginagamit nila for ads nila para makapag-attract ng people. Make sure to check the whole page bago po kayo mag-interact doon sa ads na yon. And again, never ever na kakagat po kayo, especially if ang system or ang ino-offer po nila is mag-i-invest lang kayo ng pera tapos may kikitain na kayo. No? Wala po akong ino-offer na ganun. Again, my business is dropshipping. Meron pong napakagandang product na ino-offer po dito sa business po namin. And winning product po talaga siya. It's an international business. Meron kaming office sa Dubai, merong office sa Abu Dhabi, Qatar, Switzerland, Canada. Magkakaroon na din kami ng office in the US pretty soon. Magkakaroon ng Japan office. So meron din kami Singapore, may Taiwan, may Malaysia. So pretty much yung negosyo po is legitimate siya, in short. So kung gusto nyo pong makipag-transact ng business with me, the safest way po talaga is to find my official accounts. Sa Facebook po, ang pangalan ko is Luis Santa Cruz Abayan at meron po akong blue badge. And sa Instagram naman, at Luis Terime. And ang pangalan po ng account ko is Luis Santa Cruz Abayan din. Those are my only official accounts. So, ingat-ingat na lang po tayo, no? Kasi I'm sure yung mga ginagamit din pong pera ninyo to start your businesses. I know, kaya po kayo na interesadong mag-business is possibly kailangan nyo po talaga siya. Or you really want to add or boost po yung income ninyo, no, na currently meron po kayo. So, I am willing to help naman na magkaroon po kayo ng additional income source, pero we have to make sure na kung ano po talaga yung mismong business na ginagawa ko, yun din po yung masimulan po ninyo kung sakali man. Doon po kasi kayo matutulungan. Okay guys, ingat po tayo ha, huwag po tayo magpapascam.